Bro, it's gay, hentai, sí.
No, tienes un novio. Hello, sir? Hello, sir. I thought that I would come in contact with you today based on the warranty of your new dishwasher that you've recently purchased from MediaMart.
Oh my god. Bro, es dominicano.
Pero el número es...
Ya, porque I live in Spain. Estudia conmigo.
It's into... Hello, sir. My name is Joshua, and you recently purchased a dishwasher from me at MediaMart. And basically, what I was trying to say is that I need to upsell you on a warranty. Would you like to go for the 3-month plan, the 6-month plan, or the 12-month plan?
Bro, I not speak English. My English is very bad.
Okay, oh, fuck off!
Trancado.
I was trying to sell him a warranty on a dishwasher that he bought from MediaMart. Okay, yeah.